You go, Christian.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be showing all of our fidgets and poppets, and they're just fidgets. So, let's get started. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notification bells for every new video we upload.
And it's good. Every video is lit.
Everyone is lit. So, subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
And by the way, if we get 1 million likes, we will give away fidget toys, and we will give away a Jerry Rice card.
And
a Jerry Rice football card.
Signed card. Hey, and I'll give you.
And we are also giving.
I'll give you 1 pack of this. Go over here to get it.
Anyway, let's get started on our fidget video.
Just film him, okay? And then
I know. I'm doing it right now, Rock. Same pair.
So first we have this pineapple toy. It's like you squeeze it and it gets stuck, and it's like it just makes noise. It's like so satisfying. It's fidget. We also have another one. It's like kind of like the same thing. It's not a pineapple though. It does the same thing.
Cowboy. Cowboy.
Next fidget.
Cowboy.
Stop that. Oh, but just leave Kyle alone. He's part of this video today. Anyway, next poppet we have this hexagon poppet.
We have 2 of those.
It's we have 2 of them actually. Here, this is the one that we might give away if we get 1 million likes. And the winner. Pick a winner, and the winner will get it, and you can receive a football card, a baseball card. Yes. There's a lot of fish you can get. With these 2, they're like really good on the easy side. It's like very easy to pop on the easy side. It's a nice one, Same thing with this. Actually, we have 3 of them, by the way, so. Yeah, we're giving away 2 of them to the winners. So, anyway, next one we have this, like, kind of like a rainbowish galaxy color. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like, it's a nice one though. Especially the easy side. You just tap it and it pops. So it's cool. Yeah. Oh, and you can pick a poppet if we get 1 million likes. You can pick a card, a football card, a fidget, or anything else we offer to you for 1 million likes. Once we get 1 million likes, we will be giving away stuff. So, anyway, next we have this alligator poppet. It's pretty cool. It pops really good.
It's solid.
It's definitely very fidgety. Especially, well, both sides are pretty good, Well, I definitely like this one. This is definitely one that you can choose, and we will give to the winner. So, like and subscribe. Next, we have this Among Us poppet. You can also choose to get. Yes, it's very good on each side.
Before this video goes on, again, we'll be giving you guys a Alvin Kamara, Michael Thomas, Cameron Jordan, Taysom Hill, him, and Jameis Winston. So
anyway, so make sure you like and subscribe. subscribe and turn on notifications. And yeah, maybe you can win one day and you can get something cool. And next,
And you guys will pick a pop of what you
we
want.
have this like,
So you guys
I
can
don't know
see
how
it.
to describe it, but it's very nice. Like each side is super good, like very good.
Already got it. What's it called?
I don't know what it's called, but this is the Poppet that I traded at school. So traded it for a Poppet fidget spinner. It was a good trade, I guess. Poppets are the most rarest fidget spinner. I don't know, but I like this one. Next, we have this like a bracelet Poppet, like a watch thingy. Can you get the yellow one, Brock?
It's in my bag.
Yeah, this is the orange one.
And there's a yellow one
And then
too.
we have the yellow one. You just put it on your wrist. They don't allow these at school. So maybe you just bring this and start popping, in the middle of class. They
Or
shouldn't
just here
notice.
exist. Here exist in class.
But yeah, and then same thing with the yellow one. And yeah, let's move on. Next one we have this
Did we already? No, that's it.
this fidget
Brock,
cube.
Brock. Get the green one.
The
Get the green one.
We already did that, right?
No.
yeah. So it does. So it has this little thingy, and you can move it around, and it's cool. And then they have this little marble thing, just move around. They have these little scrolly things where you can scroll up and down, and they have these 5 buttons.
And there's a green
Yes,
one.
same thing with the green one. They have a switch here. And then they have this. I don't know what that is. Comment down below if you know what this is. What does this do? Because I don't know. We have this. You just move the little black thingy, and yeah.
How did Kai get out?
Anyways,
And
move on
we
to the next
have
one.
this.
We have the pop tube, which is a very.
Can I do this one?
I like this one.
Can I do it?
Get the other one.
Which one? You have another pop too? Ooh,
So you just split up. It's like it makes a funny noise,
it's so satisfying.
No, yeah, it is. And no worries, you can just put it back together.
It's not like we just broke it. Hey, you can get these at Walmart.
Yes, you can
but
get these at Walmart, Target, especially Five Below. They have a lot over there, definitely.
But don't spend all your money on these. We will give you Poppet.
These are super rare. We got these all in a pack.
75.
These were $70 for 2 packs. They all came together like these. This alligator Poppet, the fidget cube, these, the watch thingy.
All of these Poppets were like mixed together was like $5,000, right?
What is this called?
No.
A puppet.
A Poppet fidget. No, a Poppet
Fidget spinner Poppet or something? Yeah, but it's a fidget spinner, and apparently they have excuse me, 6 pops on there. You just pop it, I guess, and you can call it a fidget spinner, because it is a fidget spinner. Alright, next one we have the regular Rubik's Cube. Brock is really good at solving it. So Brock is gonna solve the green.
No. Okay, I was sorry.
He's gonna solve the green. This might take a little long, so if you need to, fast forward the video. All right.
Okay. It won't take long.
I mean, it shouldn't take long. He's very good at.
Get out the camera.
He's very good at solving Rubik's cubes. But while he's doing that, we will go on to the next one.
Yep. Now,
This is
tell you
like
guys when I'm done.
Dude, we have 2 of those.
we have these. Oh, about that other one. The other one I showed you. Yeah. We got a black one of these. Yeah. We're selling these. These are an offer. All of them are offers, right? Next we have this
Don't we have two though?
fidget spinner.
Brock, get the other
Fidget
one.
spinner. Yep, we have two of them. It's like a fidget spinner and it's to pop it again, but it's just two pops. Selling this one also, so thumbs up. Yeah, alright. Next we have another Pop-It.
Turtle.
It is a turtle, you know, it's pretty cute. They have the alphabet on it. I don't know what is that for really. But you know. You got a turtle. Yeah, I have like letters A, B, C, D, and it goes all the way to Z. It's a really good one too. Wow, who is that?
My uncle.
Alright, anyway.
What's up, dudes?
What's up? We're
So-
making a YouTube
What's
video.
up, man?
I'm right here.
Who's filming?
Me.
What's up, dude?
This is the person that you
Say
met
hi to
at
the
other
camera.
house. Say hi. What's up?
Wait,
That's my uncle.
that's his uncle.
Anyway,
He's cool.
going back to this.
You have two.
Yes. So we just have this like, not a snake. It's not a snake. It's, I don't know what you call it, but like, comment down below what you call it.
Wait, it's not a snake. It's
I know
a
it's
bike
not a snake.
chain.
I have a snake.
It's a bike chain.
It is? Oh yeah, bike chain, right. That's not a bike chain, bro. That's not a bike chain.
Then what should we call it?
Yeah, comment down below
What we
what
should
is
call it.
what is this called? Is the real name? Or if you don't know, what should we call it, you know? I call it this one the banana stripe. And I call this one the candy
The red rubber.
what it
Candy cane.
I have a brain bubble.
Cotton candy.
Yes, cotton candy. Yes, the cotton candy and then the banana split, right?
The banana split.
Next one, we have this is the bike chain right here. Yeah,
We have two of those.
the bike chain. You know.
Sorry if it took a long time.
I love this one. This is my favorite fidget of all.
Done.
Oh, there it is. He got the
And
green
I'm
side.
gonna do the orange.
All right, comment down below if you want to see Brock finish a whole Rubik's cube.
Well, I'm gonna try if I
He's
can.
gonna try, all right? So he's
It
gonna
might
finish
take
the
a
whole
cou-
thing.
Did you do this?
Right? This is my favorite one, by the way.
Yeah, he did that one.
Yeah, we did that one. Next we got this fidget spinner. We have another one.
It's not a fidget spinner.
Not a fidget spinner. Pop-It keychain.
That's cool.
Brock, get the other one.
is pink.
Right here.
This with the pink one, pink keychain. Giving away these. Just put on your school bag. I guess I just bring these to school, put on my school bag, and
Just walk out.
Start popping. You know.
Hey, comment below if we'll
Yeah,
fly
comment-
one of you guys to make a YouTube video with us.
Yes, if you want to come make a YouTube video with us,
You can.
yes, you can.
Anytime you are at
Get 1,000,000 likes.
Yep.
You can.
And we'll ship you here to make a video with us.
And comment down below what video would you want us to do next. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, there's the keychain. We're gonna go on to the snake. Yes, like I said, we got the snake. It's totally not new. I've been having this for a long time, and comment down below if we should get an infinity cube. We don't have one.
I thought you guys had.
Alright, next. And this will be the final one today.
The heart.
The heart Pop-It.
Can I do it?
We had this one because we love you guys. Because y'all are the best.
And we love you.
So we saved this one for the last.
All you guys, all you beautiful people out there.
Yes, we love you
We
guys.
love you, all of you. Look how good it is. We're gonna give away this one too. Look
Yes.
how loud it is.
This is that one's a very good one.
It's rare, I think.
Very. That is it. Today, guys.
I think it's been like 30 minutes of the video.
15.
We'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications for every new video we upload,
And comment down below.
peace out.
Peace.